Are you looking to make this Father's Day truly unforgettable? Not just with gifts, but with the kind of atmosphere that says you're the hero? What if your living room, backyard, or dining table could reflect everything you love about Dad? From bold and sporty to rustic and refined, the right decorations can set the tone for a celebration he'll never forget. Whether you're planning a surprise party, a laid-back barbecue, or an intimate dinner, we're diving into Father's Day decoration ideas that add heart, humor, and a whole lot of style to your celebration.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are decorations important for Father's Day celebrations? Decorations do more than make a space look good. They help create memories and show that thought and love went into every detail. They set the tone. Whether you're going fun and playful or sophisticated and sentimental, decor immediately communicates the mood. They make Dad feel special. Thoughtful touches like banners, table setups, and custom signs show you went the extra mile just for him. They enhance the experience. Great decorations elevate the entire vibe and make moments more photo-worthy and festive. If you agree that dads deserve the best, like and share this video with someone planning their own Father's Day celebration. What are some classic Father's Day decoration themes to consider? Picking a theme helps unify your decorations and creates a cohesive visual story that reflects Dad's personality. Sports-themed decor is always a win. Use team colors, jerseys, or mini trophies to set the scene for a sporty celebration. Grillmaster vibes are great for outdoor gatherings. Think checkered tablecloths, barbecue signage, and condiment caddies. Vintage dad themes, featuring ties, mustaches, and old-school fonts, add a nostalgic twist that's both fun and heartfelt. Got a theme idea of your own? Comment below and let us know how you're decorating this year. How can you decorate a dining or food area for Father's Day? The food table is often the focal point of the celebration, so dressing it up with dad-approved style makes a big impact. Use personalized place settings. Custom name tags, themed napkins, or even a funny quote at each spot can add flair. Incorporate edible decor. Think bowls of dad's favorite snacks, cupcake toppers that reflect his hobbies, or a custom cake. Add functional accents. Bottle openers, grilling tools, or coasters that double as decor give the setup a personal touch. For more detailed dining decor ideas, check the playlist linked in the description. What are the best DIY decoration ideas for Father's Day? DIY Decor adds a handmade heartfelt layer to your Father's Day setup, and it's a fun project for kids or the whole family. Make a best dad ever photo banner. String together printed family photos with captions or memorable quotes. Create chalkboard signs or tabletop easels with personalized messages, jokes, or trivia about dad. Craft a memory jar centerpiece. Fill a jar with handwritten notes about favorite moments or reasons why you love him. Subscribe now if you want more holiday DIY guides just like this. What are some outdoor decoration ideas for a backyard Father's Day celebration? Outdoor celebrations call for simple, bold, and weather-friendly decor that brings energy to the party space. Hang banners between trees or across fences with messages like Dad's Barbecue Zone or Grill King. Set up picnic-style tables with themed tablecloths, mason jar drinks, and rustic trays for serving. Add lounge elements like outdoor cushions, string lights, and tiki torches to create a cozy yet festive vibe. Want to recreate the outdoor look from this video? Check the description for all featured products. How can you create a photo booth or backdrop area for memories? A photo booth adds fun to the party and gives you keepsakes to remember the day long after it's over. Use a simple fabric or balloon backdrop in bold dad colors like navy, burgundy, or forest green. Create themed props. Think hats, speech bubbles, mini trophies, or paper ties. Add a chair or throne for dad with a king for a day sign to make him the star of the setup. Looking for more themed celebration videos? Check the description for similar content. What decorations can double as keepsakes or gifts for dad? Thoughtful decorations that serve a second purpose are a smart way to combine meaning with function. Create a decorated frame around a quote or drawing made by the kids and present it during the celebration. Use a signboard or chalkboard for guests to write messages to dad throughout the day. He can keep it after the party. Print custom drink labels, coasters, or snack bags with dad facts or personal trivia that he'll want to hold on to. Everything featured in this video is linked in the description if you want to grab it for your own setup. So if you've ever asked, how do I make this Father's Day feel as special as it should? The answer is in the details. It's in the themed touches, the family-made crafts, the banners, backdrops, and the care you put into every part of the space. Whether dad is chill and casual or bold and adventurous, your decorations can tell a story, his story. One that says, "We see you, we love you, and we appreciate everything you do."